The Ministry of Information and Broadcasting MIB Government of India is actively promoting a vibrant film culture in Northeast India through various initiatives resulting in the region's increasing visibility on the global film stage. Government schemes is nurturing Northeast India's cinematic talent. A special report.
From offering exposure to A-grade film festivals, funding film production, and organizing skill development programs, filmmakers from the Northeast are beginning to reap the rewards of these targeted interventions of Ministry of Information and Broadcasting MIB Government of India. Prominent testimonies to the success of these initiatives include Biplab Goswami's film Lapata Ladies, which has been selected as India's official entry for the 2024 Oscar. A graduate of the Satyajit Ray Film and Television Institute, SRFTI, Kolkata, Goswami hails from Tripura. Additionally, Berlinelli Talents 2019 participant Dominic Sangma's Rupture, Rimdog Gitana is currently making waves in Europe with its recent release in French theatres. Another notable achievement for the region is the screening of Bung, a Manipuri feature film directed by debutant Lakshmi Priya Devi at the 49th Toronto International Film Festival. The film had its world premiere in the prestigious Discovery section, shining a spotlight on the underrepresented cinema of Manipur. Following its sponsorship of filmmakers from the Northeast to participate at the 2023 Cannes Film Festival, MIB has continued its commitment to nurture and develop the region's cinematic talent. This year, the ministry is sponsoring 2 filmmakers from each of the northeastern states to attend the 29th Busan International Film Festival in South Korea, held from October 2nd to 11, 2024. Representing Manipur at Busan are Sanju Bajaspati Mayum, Secretary of Manipur State Film Development Society (MSFDS), and Rinsung Ahom Chahong, a young Tangkhul filmmaker who recently won the Best Directors Award in the first Tangkhul film competition organized by Tangkhul Naga Film Association.
I learned a lot, new things. Everything is new for me because everything is totally international and also everything is totally a very, very good experience that I really need in my career in days to come. Yeah. So the way we think for the films, the way we look for the films, the worldview is quite very new and very different the way I think before.
Today, your film yamse kugi normal platform da uda film ngakani yamna rare film yamna creative film making ni aduga film screening da natana industry activities mayam highway film financing film gi marketing film gi financing film gi how to present your film to financiers, co-producers, or attract investment opportunities for your project. Habigi market ki section mayam yamna kanaba khudongchaba mayam exposure mayam phange aduga Ministry of INB aduga kugi Government of Manipur gi government art and culture ki department so sigumba shida koi sana recommend tawraga thabi basigi. Thank you Haijanin.
Biplab Goswami expresses his appreciation for MIB's focus on developing Northeast cinema, noting that despite the challenges, the region's filmmakers have much to contribute to Indian cinema. The future of Northeast cinema is promising, with talents emerging across various competitions. For instance, in a recent script writing competition, 3 out of the 5 top scripts, including Lapata Ladies, were from the Northeast, Goswami shared.
At the end of 2018, there were a script contest. It was a search of a global search for Indian script writers. So I submitted my script over there, and out of almost 4,000 script writers, they selected top 5 script writers in that competition. And surprisingly and amazingly, out of top 5 scriptwriters, 3 of them were from Northeast India. It's a good example that we have a lot of story to tell through cinema, and this is an example for the Northeastern film fraternity as well, that we can try. There are some obstructions, but there are some challenges, but filmmakers from Northeast can do very well, and there is a lot of opportunities in front of us.
With these encouraging developments, the cinematic voices of Northeast India are poised to gain greater recognition, both nationally and internationally, contributing to the country's diverse cultural landscape. For reporter Bhakta Taurangbam and camera person Biswajit Namayrakpam, this is Joyce Rusham, Impact News, Imphal.